Never thought our story would end in silence like this. After all the dreams we held, after all the moments sealed with bliss. We used to dance under moonlight, hearts beating in perfect time. We used to dream about forever, hand in hand, your soul in mine. Now the nights are getting colder, your shadow fading from my skin. But every memory pulls me closer to everything we've ever been. I can still hear your laughter like a song that won't let go. And it breaks me even deeper, knowing you'll never know. Oh darling, my heart is breaking slow, 'cause memories don't let go. We love so bright, we love so true, and every part of me loves you. Oh darling, I'm drowning in the pain, standing alone in the falling rain. But even if you walk away, my love for you will always stay. We build a world out of whispers, soft kisses drawn across our days. We share secrets in the sunrise, we found heaven in simple ways. And now I look through old pictures, and I swear they breathe your light. They remind me of those mornings when your smile made everything right. I try to let go of the story, but it's written in my bones. And I'm learning now the strongest love is the one that hurts the most. Tell me why love fades away when all my soul wants you to stay. Oh darling, my heart is breaking slow, 'cause memories don't let go. We held a fire the world could see, now I hold ashes close to me. Oh darling, I'm lost inside the pain, searching your voice in the falling rain. And even if our paths divide, you'll live forever in my mind. If I could hold you one more night, I'd tell you everything I couldn't say. How you saved me with your love, how you taught me how to stay. But life sometimes breaks the purest hearts apart, and now I walk alone with pieces of you in every corner of my heart. I don't regret a single moment, not 1 second by your side, 'cause loving you was the closest thing to heaven I've ever tried. So if you ever think about us, know my soul still calls your name. And though we're standing worlds apart, my